Hello everyone, I am Mohan, currently studying in the final year of VVIT in the branch of Computer Science and Machine Learning. And coming to the IBM Hack Challenge 2023, this is the second time I'm participating consecutively for this challenge, and it was conducted by Smart Interns and supported by IBM. And a single tagline that motivates me daily is: in a world that constantly evolving, it is important for us to stay updated and to stay ahead. And the entire flow of the IBM Hack Challenge goes through like this. First, we have to attend the live boot camps. After that, we have to enroll in the problem statement, and we have to submit a proposal. After the approval of the proposal by the organizers, we are giving access to the workspace where we have to develop our code and deploy to the cloud and submit it to the Hack Challenge organizers, Smart Interns, and IBM. And problem statements of four domains, and I have chosen the cloud application development, and I have worked on health connect, streamed doctors appointment, and health record management. It's, and the problem statement goes like this. And I have submitted a proposal, and the proposal got approved, and after that I have given access to the workspace where I have worked on the assigned project. Here is a Git repo, here is a document writer, and here is the demonstration link. And after after doing this step by step, we have to move the corresponding cards to the review for evaluation of the mentor. Here I have completed my task and moved my preset all cards to the review section, and to make sure that overall project progress and assigned task progress reaches to 90% for mentor review. Comes to the Git repository. Here I have developed all my codes and added completion badges, skill badges on the IBM Skills Build platform, and the final output screenshots and the project report, all the required codes and the PNGs to this Git repository. And coming to the portal, it is a managing system that helps doctor as well as patients by providing online booking appointments as per the convenience of both doctors and patients. And through this system, doctors can easily manage the appointment slots online itself. These are the output screens. You can see it's a home page. It displays a list of available doctors. It is a services page that are provided by our application to the doctors as well as the patients, to the end users. What were the services provided by us is already displayed in the services page. Here is the registration page for the doctor. Here is the login page. You can here you can doctor can edit his profile. Here is the patient appointments. Patient can select a particular doctor uh, based upon his availability. The patient can book the appointment. Here for the doctor, it displays the list of appointments, and here a patient can create a doctor appointment. Here is a patient registration. After registration, he can log into his portal and he can take the appointment. He can edit his profile. These are the badges I have earned, and these skill badges or add required skill set and the knowledge and the technologies to me for successfully developing my project for the problem statement Health Connect. And these are the courses which I have completed from the IBM Skills Build platform: Journey to Cloud, the Enterprise Data Science, Enterprise Grade AI, getting started with threat intelligence and hunting, and finally fundamentals of sustainability and technology. And these are the lines to verify that I have completed. So I have provided here course completion badges. And coming to the documentary, here are the details of the project, and it's starting with the introduction. It's just a brief of what the purpose of the project and what the use cases and this is solution provided to this problems. It is a literature survey. It is a theoretical analysis which covers a theoretical part of this problem statement. This one is experimental investigations which have overcome, which have like which I have get to know through implementation. This is the flowchart of the project. You can see the user's login. You can use a doctor. If he is a doctor, you can flow like this. If he is a patient, he can set the flow, and as a doctor, he can view the appointments and he can modify and consultations. And for a patient, he can book the appointments based on his availability. It is a use case diagram. Our system has three actors: patient, admin, and the doctor. The three actors having several use cases. And for a patient, he can register as the patient. First, after registration, he can choose the hospitals among the list of hospitals near to his location. And after selecting a specific hospital, he can view the available doctors based upon his disease he is suffering from. And after selecting the doctors, he can search for available appointments and by location or the best service. And by selecting the doctor, he can book an appointment. And these are the specific uses. After successfully booking an appointment, he can log out from his portal. And for an admin, he can add a new patient data, and he specifically monitors entire system, entire flow of the system. He can manage the patient appointments, profiles, patients, doctor appointments, etc. And for a doctor, he can see the list of appointments he has, and he can make a note of the appointments. He can make a message to the patient that he is available or not to the corresponding appointment done by the patient. And that's it. And it is a final result. And these are the output screens which I've already included in the Git repo. And coming to the advantages, this application has several advantages. And the first one is the efficient appointment management. Second one is enhanced doctor-patient communication. And third one is electronic health records. But most of the hospitals nowadays carrying the documented way of health records. But due to as the nature is concerned, we have to digitalize the electronic records so that in today's world everything is digitalized. So why can't we make health records into a digital format for quick access of the patients and as the doctors? This is the automated reminders for drug intake of the patients, and this one is the doctor profile management. And coming to the disadvantages, technical dependency, like we have to build this application like like a strong without any flaws that hacker can hack the system, and we have to maintain the privacy because of all the patient's information we are maintaining the system. And initial setup and training, need some expertise and experience to get understanding of the portal and the system to make the best use of it. And these are the applications and several domains. Health is the main domain, and there are subdomains which can expand the routes to the health. Those are healthcare facilities, private practitioners, telemedicine, emergency healthcare, pharmacies, health insurance, and there was some research work. Yeah, and finally, coming to the conclusion. And finally, this project is a testament to the remarkable synergy between technological innovation and healthcare enhancement. It is a future scope how the developed project till now can be enhanced in the future. Real-time availability, if these are features that can add to the system to make to improve its applications and use cases. You can add AI-driven personalization, health analysis, and etc. And we can make this as a multi-platform accessibility and cross-platform, like a cross-platform. And we can integrate this portal with health devices such as blood pressures, glucose meters, real-time health data analysis. And nowadays, the language plays a critical role, and it is a main constraint for any people who are not a bilingual and not a multilingual. We can make the system to support a multilingual and can provide the feedback mechanisms. And it is the link to the project repo. And finally, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, which has explored my skill set and my expertise, my skill set, my experience. Thank you for conducting this type of boot camps. Smart interns, the entire team of smart interns and the IBM. You're conducting these challenges continuously every year and keep going in order to encourage the youth to bring the better solutions using the technologies to the real world scenarios. Thank you.